What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your HSBC UK's bank's online banking account. So it's a UK based bank, alright? And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on with the video now, shall we? First step, search for HSBC UK login and click on where it says login to online banking over here. It'll bring you to this page. Over here, enter your user ID first. After you enter your user ID, click on continue. After that, it's gonna ask you for the password of your account. After entering your password and clicking on the login button or the continue button, so it's gonna show you either login or the continue button. So click on either one of them, whichever is displayed on your screen, and you should be able to log in into your HSBC UK Bank's online banking account. It's that simple. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.